So I came out in the garage this morning, ready to go for a ride. I was going to load this guy up and take off see if I could cut on about 30 miles or something like that. And this tire was flat. And I just put these tires on. So first thing I had to do is take it off of there and taking that off was fun. But I ended up putting the tube underwater. I soaped it and everything. I could not find the leak. So then I filled up the laundry tub and found it right away. And I thought I should bring up an important point. You know, a lot of times on these trails, you're 10 or 15 miles away from anything, and you get something like this. What do? You either fix it or you go for a really long walk so that you can go for another really long walk and retrieve the thing. So here's what you do. You carry a kit along with you. And I've got one right here. What I carry is tire irons. These are, I think these are about 10 inches long, maybe 11. I got those on eBay for $5. $5 can save your life. These are little stick-on patches. It's got a little roughing pad in there. I don't know if I can get that to show. The little metal roughing pad. You rough up the affected area. Stick one of these it's basically like putting really sticky electrician tape. It's a little green circle. And, you know, once you inflate the tube, it squishes that between the tire and the hole, and it fixes it. Then I carry a chain breaker, which, you know, all this stuff is really inexpensive. I think I bought these two things together, the chain brake and the chain pliers. I think something like $9 for that set. And then I bought this nice little thing here, which has got just about every tool you could use these are made just for a bicycle. I think I got that also on Amazon. And got a couple of these little tire irons, which those are not for this bike, but if I'm riding with somebody else, you know. And then I think that kit came with this handy dandy wrench. And what else I got in here? Oh, this is an inflator for basketballs and stuff. You never know when you need that. I got connector links here for the chain. I got about 4 of them in there, I guess. Then I got some extra chain and kind of an extra wrench here. Some more extra chain. A couple little screwdrivers. Where they're handy is when you're changing the chain, you drop them in here to keep the chain from running back through the tubes. And then I got this air compressor, and it's digital, and you can set it to whatever pressure you want, and it automatically stops there. It's got a little hose on the end here, and I think this was like $12. So this whole kit was probably under $50 for everything in here. And it's basically everything you need to get yourself out of dire straits. And I also have an extra inner tube in here somewhere. I carry an extra inner tube. I found out when you're on the road, just swap out the inner tube, and when you get home, fix the one that's holy, or, you know, you can just buy another inner tube. They're like $30, so you don't want to be buying a lot of them, but you really kind of need that. And it's not just for you. If you got other people riding with you, you can help them out. Especially if you're kind of a mechanical person, you can save them. And it doesn't hurt to carry some zip ties and duct tape. You know, you don't want to load yourself down too much, but that's a basic kit right there. And a little bit of duct tape in there would really finish it off real nicely. So you do want to prepare for the worst, because it'll make life much better. As far as where I put the kit, there it is. I've got one strap there, Velcro, holds it right in place. Let me get on the other side here, maybe you can see better. So it just holds it in place here real nicely. It kind of sits between the frame tubes at the bottom, secured at the top. And that frees up my saddlebag so I don't have a lot of extra weight and stuff in there. And it's nice and handy. I don't have to tear the bike apart to get to it. So that's another thing, is pick a decent location so it's not in the way and it's not, causing any other space issues.